Well, hey friends, we are in a bit of a busy season at the moment, I have to say. And so I thought it might be fun to put together a video where I talk about quick, healthy meal ideas. I need meals that I can put together really quickly. The goal is to try to put together some meals for you guys that are healthy in like roughly 30 minutes or less. Basically, what I'm putting together is a like beef and broccoli style dish. We make this a lot. Our kids love Asian, my husband does as well. So I just have a venison backstrap here, and I'm gonna slice it very thinly, and then I'm going to put together an Asian marinade, and it just comes together so quickly. Okay, so as you can see, I just sliced up this backstrap very thinly. I'm just gonna brown it in the pan. Whenever I do an Asian marinade, I always eyeball it. I always start with vinegar, and then typically a lot of Asian marinades call for soy sauce, but I always use coconut aminos. It's a healthier option. So sometimes I'll add, I happen to have some beef broth in the fridge. I'll throw in some olive oil, lots of salt, some pepper. Instead of sugar, we're gonna add some pure maple syrup. And I like to do some fresh garlic as well. And I will season my meat with like onion powder and garlic powder, get it nice and brown. And then I'm just gonna add this marinade to the sauce and get it nice and thick and bubbly using, I probably have some like cornstarch or something like that. I'll make a little slurry and thicken it up. Throw the broccoli in, put a lid on it, let it steam, and dinner should be ready. I cannot tell you how quick and amazing this meal is. It's so good. And I started cooking, I think, at 3:55. It's currently 4:30. I'm gonna call the boys in. We're gonna scoop up some of this delicious white rice. So good. And we're gonna eat dinner. Is it good, babe?
I love it.
It's very delicious.
Can I put bacon now? Nope, not until we finish. How much water?
Well, friends, today's video is all about healthy meal ideas, and so I thought this would be a perfect time to tell you about today's video sponsor. And so I'd like to thank Function Health for sponsoring today's video. I've shared Function Health with you guys before, but in case you missed that last video, let me tell you a little bit about them. Function Health is a proactive health membership that helps people understand what's happening inside their bodies over time through diagnostic testing, personalized insights, AI chat, telehealth support, and wearable integrations. So guys, the last time I shared Function Health with you, I had just gone to be tested for over 100 different biomarkers, which is just incredible. All of my results came back, and it's so easy to keep track of all in one place when you download the Function Health app. I love the ease of use, and one of my favorite features actually is the AI chat. You can actually ask questions inside the app and make small changes in order to improve your overall health. So I'm interested in doing things with with intention, and I want to be a good steward of this body. It's the only body that I have, and I want to take care of it. And so it's just so neat to see what changes I was able to implement. I've been exercising every day. I actually tested low in omega-3. The action steps are right here for me, right in the app. Guys, I could go on and on just with my heart health, the different action steps they've given me, I've tried to implement. So I'm actually very excited and just curious how my next test is going to go. I'm looking forward to meeting with my doctor to go over these with her and just see if any of the things that I've implemented over the last couple of months have helped. So I think that's one thing that I really appreciate about Function Health. It's not just about this one moment in time. It's okay, this is what you need to work on to improve your health, and here's an action plan. Here are the steps you can take in order to see those improvements. So guys, if you would like to learn more, I'm gonna put my QR code here on the screen so that you can scan it, or I'll have the link down for you below in the description box. All you need to do is use my code PPH25 and you can get a $25 credit towards your Function Health membership. That's PPH25 for $25 credit towards your membership. The only catch is that you have to be a part of the first 1,000 people to click that link. So if this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, that I would highly suggest clicking on the link down below, using my code PPH25 or scanning the QR code here on the screen so that you can get started with Function Health. And hopefully I'll have some good findings to share with you guys next time. So check out that link in my description or scan the QR code here on the screen. Well, hey friends, it is the following day and it's 1:03 in the afternoon. So I'm just trying to get a head start on dinner. Tonight we're just gonna do a protein with a veggie on the side, and I think I might do a quinoa salad. So far all I've done really is just get my asparagus ready. I just season it with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. I just like to use garlic powder, some onion powder. Today I'm going to use this really yummy all-purpose seasoning. I get it at Costco. It's the organic, no salt, and it's got all kinds of delicious flavors in there. I'm just gonna sprinkle that over my chicken, but you can really use any seasoning you like. I'm putting some paprika on my chicken. Paprika doesn't add a ton of flavor. It adds like a smoky aspect, but I love the color that it adds to chicken. I'm gonna do a little garlic powder, and I might even finish with some parsley as well. And then we're just gonna let this kind of sit here, and then it'll be all ready later when it's time to grill. All right guys, so if quinoa isn't really your thing, of course you could do like brown rice or just regular rice. All I do is you cook up some quinoa. I just did a cup of quinoa, and I'm gonna let it cool once it's finished cooking. And I add tomatoes and cucumber, some feta cheese, some avocado. I'll slice that up right before we serve it because it might turn brown. But then for the dressing, I like to do a little bit of olive oil. And this dressing, you can put it on just about anything, it's delicious. Some honey, and then to this dressing, I like to add some of this whole grain mustard. Every once in a while, I'll do a splash of water too. I'm gonna do some salt and pepper, and then you can just put it in a mason jar and shake it up real well. But I'll pour this on right before we serve it, and it is just absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go get what I need to get done up at the church, and then Mike can maybe even just get started on this if I'm not back yet. Super easy meal idea. Can't wait to have dinner tonight. Well, friends, it is yet another day, and Wednesday, the day that I'm filming this segment, is a particularly busy day for us. I already have some shrimp thawing here in the sink. We're gonna do shrimp tacos tonight. I love to do a cabbage slaw with them. So I'm just gonna start with like equal parts mayo and sour cream. Then I'm gonna add some lime juice, cilantro I have here, some fresh garlic, and then a drizzle of honey. I'm gonna get started on this dressing, and then I'll probably season my shrimp, and then we have to get going. But when we come home, everything will be ready to go. We just have to cook up the shrimp, maybe fry up some tortillas, and dinner should be ready to go. All right, friends, well, we are back from church, and Mike is gonna just start up the grill and grill the tortillas and the shrimp. All I have left to do, since he's cooking the shrimp and the tortillas, is just to make some guacamole. Now, I love guacamole with a whole lot of extras, but my kids just like it with avocado. So I'm just going to make some guacamole with some salt and pepper, and then I like to add garlic powder and onion powder to it, real simple. And then to top our tacos, I'll have some red onion. I've got some pickled red onion, some cheese, and then of course that slaw that I made earlier. So super excited about tacos tonight. Well, friends, I am sort of laughing right now at my appearance. We've been working outside all day long. It is absolutely gorgeous here in Michigan, 70 degrees. So I have just, I'm so dirty. So tonight's gonna be a really quick and easy meal. I've got those chicken breasts that we grilled a couple nights ago in the oven, and we're gonna do chicken bacon ranch wraps. We're gonna put some ranch on them, some lettuce. I've got lots of veggies cut up that we're just gonna have on the side, and we're gonna have a picnic lunch outside in the yard. The boys are really excited about it. Since I can't do the wrap, and I don't have any gluten-free tortillas, I'm just gonna make myself a salad, and I'm gonna skip the bacon and just do chicken breast. And I'll show you what I've been loving on my salads lately. Typically I'll use like a spring mix, and then I love to top it with some chicken and some cucumber and blueberries. I love adding some berries in my salads. It's my favorite. And then I put this crunchy roasted edamame. I don't know if you remember, I grabbed it at Costco. Let me show you. Okay, so this is like an awesome gluten-free crouton option, high protein super snack. There's 14 grams of protein and 1/3 of a cup. So I just take a handful of this stuff. It is so delicious, and I'll sprinkle it all on my salad. So that's what I'm gonna be eating tonight, but let me get started on making these wraps for the boys. So this is my homemade ranch. I talked about it in my easy snack video idea. You could use Greek yogurt. This is just sour cream and mayo. And then maybe I'll do a little cheese, a slice or two of bacon, some lettuce, and a couple of slices of tomato. And there you have it. All right, friends, so plans have completely changed. It's raining right now, it's dark outside. I was gonna make a healthy vegetable soup tonight for dinner, but turns out we're gonna have some company over. Last minute change, and that's totally fine. I'm thankful that I have this huge Costco box of brats in my freezer, so I have that thawing. Not the healthiest, although they are pretty clean. They aren't Whole30 approved because they do have sugar in them, unfortunately. But rather than eating them with buns, we're just gonna roast up some potatoes in the oven. I cut them into 1-inch pieces, roast them with olive oil, salt, pepper, maybe some seasonings, and just have some green beans on the side with a little bit of thinly sliced red onion. So still, you know, semi-healthy meal that's quick and easy, but I wanted to wrap up this video and just say thank you for joining me this week as I have brought you guys along with me cooking all of these meals that were quick and nutritious. I am losing light. It's getting darker and darker outside, but thank you guys for joining me. I would love to hear from you guys. What are your go-to meal ideas on a busy night? And leave it down below in the comments for me so I can get some ideas from you. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.